See, practice set 8.3 question number 1. Measures of opposite angles of parallelogram are 3x minus 2 bracket degree and 50 minus x bracket complete and degree. Find the measure of its each angle. Okay, so there are 4 angles. This is a parallelogram. Okay, what is the properties of parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel to each other. Okay, and the opposite angles are also congruent. See, angle A will be equal to angle C and angle D will be equals to angle B. Opposite angles will be congruent. Opposite sides will be parallel to each other. Okay, now we will see how to solve this. So in this figure we have considered the alphabets A, B, C, D. Okay, now we have to write that quadrilateral A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Okay, is a parallelogram. It is given in the question, right? And in parallelogram we can say the property of parallelograms are opposite angles will be congruent to each other. Okay, so we will write over there angle A is equals to angle C. Why we will write this? Opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent, means equal. Is it clear? So what is angle A is mentioned over here? 3x minus 2 bracket complete degree. Angle C is how much? See, it is 50 minus x bracket degree. Okay, now you will open the bracket. Okay, you will open, that is 3x minus 2. This is 50 minus x, right? So now this x will come to the x term and the number will go to the number. So therefore you will write 3x, this minus x will come to the left hand side, it will be plus x. 50 as it is, see, this minus 2 will go to the right hand side, it will be plus 2. So this is 3x and 1x, to 4x, it is 52. Now 4x is having multiplication, so 4 will go there in the division form. See, x will be here, 4x means multiply 4 multiply by x, 52 upon 4. So 4 ones are 4, 1 remain, 4 threes are 12. So therefore x value you came to know 13. Now you can keep the x value in this, okay, in this angle. Then you will find out A is how much and C is how much. A will be equals to C because in parallelogram opposite angles will be congruent to each other. Now put x is equals to 13. See, in angle A is equals to what it is, 3x minus 2. Okay, 3x minus 2 degree. So 3 and x is having multiplication. X value came how much? 13. So 3 multiplied by 13 minus 2. So 13 threes are how much? 39. It is 39 minus 2. So that is 37 degree. Is it clear? So therefore angle A is how much? 37 degree. Can you find the angle C by utilizing this value? No, you can directly say angle A is equals to angle C. So therefore angle A is equals to 37. Angle C also will be 37. Okay. If you want to check, you can check over here. See, angle C is equals to 5x minus 50 minus x. See, it is 50 minus x degree. So 50 minus x. So 50 minus 13. It is how much? 37 degree. Can you see over there? So angle C and angle A will be 37 degree. Now you have to find angle D. Angle D will be equals to angle B. Why? Because in parallelogram opposite angles are congruent. Okay. So we will see. Now can you see over there? This CD and AB are parallel to each other. CD and AB parallel to each other. Yes. Can I see if I will increase this line and this line? So these two lines are parallel and AD is a transversal. Can you find the value of this and this? Interior angles. Can you see? It is a property of interior angles. Two lines are parallel to each other and AD is a transversal. So one angle you know, one angle you want to find. So interior sum of the interior angle is equals to 180. Interior angles are supplementary. It means these two lines are parallel and AD is a transversal like this. Two lines are parallel and AD is a transversal, and this value you know, that is 3x minus 2. Or now you came to know it is 37, right? So this you have to find. So these are the interior angles. Yes or no? Interior angles. So interior angles are of how much degree? 180 degree. Now we will solve this. Line CD parallel to line CD parallel to line AB, and AD is a transversal. AD is a transversal. Yes or no? AB is parallel to CD and AD is a transversal. Then we can say, therefore we can say that angle A plus angle D is equals to how much? 180 degree. Why angle A and angle D? They are interior angles. What it is? Interior angles. And interior angles are of supplementary. Interior angles are supplementary. Interior angles are supplementary. So angle A and angle D, angle A and angle D are interior angles. So now you came to know that angle A is of how much degree here? 37. Now angle D we have to find, right? So you will subtract from 180. Very simple. Angle D is equals to 180 degree minus 37 degree. So it is 143 degree. Is it clear? Angle D is of how much degree? 143 degree. Is it clear? Now you can say angle D is equals to angle B. We know angle D is equals to angle B. Why we know this? Opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent. You can write over there, opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent. Is it clear? Are congruent. Opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent. Therefore, angle D is equals to angle B is equals to 143 degree. Is it clear? So now you came to know all four angles. Angle A37, angle C37. Why? Opposite angles are congruent. Parallelograms, opposite angles are congruent. Angle D we can find out by taking interior angles, side AB and side CD parallel to each other, and AD is transversal. So there will be interior angles, right? Interior angles. So one A is of 37 degrees. So this is, you will subtract from 180. 37 you will subtract from 180. The answer will come 143. If this is 143, this is also 143. It is clear. Now you will say, therefore the measure of its each angle is each angle is 37 degree, 143 degree, 37 degree and 143 degree. See, it is 37 degree, 143 degree, 37 degree and 143 degree. I hope you understood. This is very much easy. So dear students, now we will see the question number 2. Referring the adjacent figure, we have to see this figure of a parallelogram. So this figure is of parallelogram. Okay, write the answers of questions given below. So we have to write the answers of the questions given below. So what are the questions are there? We will see here. Now can you observe this figure only for 2 minutes? this is a parallelogram. If WZ is 4.5, so XY is of how much? 4.5, because opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. If YZ is 8.2, then what is the centimeter of WX? 8.2. Why? Opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. Clear? Now see here, OX is 2.5. See, OX is 2.5. Then OZ is how much? 2.5. Why? Because diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. It means they will divide a diagonal into two half parts or equal parts. Is it clear? So now we will see one by one question over here. See, one more thing I have written, angle Z is 120 degree. Angle Z means this angle, this complete angle of 120 degree. Then what is X? Is angle X is equals to how much? Opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent, are equal. So angle Z is 120, so angle X also will be 120. Now you have to find angle W. So if this is, see, this kind of, you can see these two lines are parallel and WX will be transversal. So if this is 120, then this is how much? Again the interior angles. So 180 minus 120. So this will be 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. So angle Y will be also 60 degree, because opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent to each other. Is it clear? Now, see, now I have written over here all five questions. Now we have to answer one by one. By observing this figure only, I have explained you already how the answers will be. Now see, one by one you will take solution. Solution number 1. See, WZ 4.5. Length of WZ is equals to 4.5 centimeter. Okay, then we have to find length of XY. So we will write, this is given, right? This is given. Therefore we will write length WZ is equals to length XY. Why? Why we will say like this? Opposite sides of a parallelogram are of equal measures, equal measures or congruent. You can say opposite sides of a parallelogram are of equal measures or are congruent. So therefore we will say length of, this is, what is WZ is there? 4.5 is equals to length of XY. So you will write therefore length of XY is equals to 4.5 centimeter. So this is your first answer. Am I clear? Now we will see the next question. Question number 2. WZ. See, question number 2. We will start from here. Question number 2. YZ is 8.2 centimeter. See, length of YZ is equals to 8.2 centimeter. It is given. Then we will write therefore length of YZ is equals to length of WX or XW. No problem, XW. Why you will say like this? Same, opposite sides of parallelogram are of equal measures, So therefore YZ is how much? 8.2 centimeter is equals to length of XW. Is it clear? Length of XW. That is, you can write length of XW is equals to 8.2 centimeter. So this is your second answer. Okay, first answer, second answer. Now we will see the third one. What is third? OX. OX is 2.5. Length of OX is equals to 2.5 centimeter. It is given. Now OX is a half part of XZ, right? So you want to find OZ. OX is equals to, I will write over therefore length of OX is equals to length of OZ. Why? Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Bisect each other. Is it clear? It means OX and OZ will be are of equal length. So diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. It means they divide half. The diagonal they will divide in the half or equal natures. So therefore OX is how much? 2.5. So length of OZ is also 2.5. Yes, length of OZ is equals to 2.5 centimeter. I hope you understood. Yes, OX is equals to OZ. Why? They are diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Now the fourth one. See the fourth one. What is fourth one? If OW is 3.3, then we have to find WY. This is 3.3. This is also 3.3. So WY will be how much? 6.6. Yes, 3.3 plus 3.3. So this is OW is a half of WY. Diagonal का half है. So we will write over here length of OW or WO. Okay. Length of WO is equals to 3.3 centimeter, right? OW 3.3, OY 3.3. So W and Y 6.6. Okay. Given. This is given. So now we will say that length of the OW is a half of WO is half of WY. Yes or no? OW or WO is a half of WY. So what is WO is how much? 3.3. This is half of WY. Yes or no? Why? You can say like this. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. You will write the same over here. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Is it clear? So OW is half of WY. So this 2 will come over here and it will multiply. See, 3.3 multiplied by 2 is equals to WY. So this is equals to 6.6 WY. Therefore you will write length of WY is equals to 6.6 centimeter. I hope you understood. Okay, so these are the fourth answer. Fifth one, it will require more place. So this is how you will find out first, second, third and fourth. Fifth we will solve after erasing this. Is it clear? That is Z. Angle Z is 120. So opposite angle X 120. And then you have to find the W. So these two lines are parallel and WX is a transversal. So these two will be considered as an interior angle. If this is 120, so this is 120. You will subtract from 180. 180 minus 120. So W will be 60. So Y will be 60. Is it clear? See, now we will continue the fifth question of question number 2. See, if major angle WZY, so Z comes in between, it is of 120. Angle Z is 120. Then major angle WXY, X comes in between. So Z is 120. How much will be the angle X? Angle Z is 120, so angle X also 120. Opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent. Now, then we have to find the major angle XWZ. XWZ. W comes in between. So angle line side XY and side YZ are parallel to each other. And this WX is a transversal. So these two angles will be considered as an interior angle. Very much simple. So first you will write major angle WZY is equals to 120 degree. This is given, right? So now you will write major angle WZY is equals to major angle WXY Why this is possible? Because opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Is it clear? So therefore you will write this WZY is of 120. So major angle WXY is of 120. So you will write therefore major angle WXY is equals to 120 degree. Okay. So this is your first answer of this fifth one. Now you have to find the major angle XWZ. So this is for here you can say line or side. You can say side XY parallel to side YZ. XY parallel to WZ. Sorry, XY will be parallel to WZ. This is parallel to this, and WX is a transversal. Okay, transversal. So here these two lines are parallel and this WX is a transversal like this. So this you know now. This is 120. So this is how much? So what you will use here? Interior angles, right, of two parallel lines. Interior angles are of supplementary. So what you will write over there? Therefore I will write major angle W. Okay, major angle YXW plus major angle XWY. What is to be found? XWZ. XWZ is equals to 180 degree. Understood? YXW and here XWZ, they are 180 degree. Why? Interior angles. Okay, they are the interior angles. So now can you say here how much? This is how much? WXY, it is 120 degree. Yes, WXY is of 120 because X comes in between. Then this is major angle of XWZ. We have to find XWZ is equals to 180 degree. Yes or no? Now you will say this 120 will go there and subtract. So therefore major angle XWZ is equals to 180 degree minus 120. So that is 60 degree. Therefore major angle XWZ is equals to 60 degree. I hope you understood. We have to find only WXY. So X comes in between, so opposite angles are congruent, and W, this angle is 120, this will be 60 degree. Is it clear? This is how we have to solve the question number 2. I hope you understood. Dear students, now we will see the question number 3. Construct a parallelogram. Now we have to construct, okay, ABCD, parallelogram ABCD, okay, such that length of BC 7 cm, major angle ABC, B comes in between, means angle will be on B, that is 40 degree. Length AB is of 3 cm. So remember one thing, the angle is on B. It means BC will be your base. BC will be your base, so that B you will take 40 degree. BC you will take base. Angle B is of 40 degree. Clear? And AB is 3 cm. So I will keep compass on B. I will take 3 cm here. Then I will keep compass on C. I will take 3 cm here. Because opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. Then BC is 7 cm. So AD I will keep 7 cm on A. I will arc. This is how you have to construct a parallelogram. Is it clear? Opposite sides are congruent. First you will take BC as a base because angle is on B. So BC will be your base. Angle 40 degree you will take, and then from B you will take 3 cm. Then from C also you will take 3 cm. Then from BC is 7 cm. So take 7 cm in compass. From A you will arc it 7 cm. Then this is how you have to construct the parallelogram. Now we will utilize a protractor and compass. Please look at the board. It is very easy. First of all, we will take angle B is of 40 degree. So we will keep this protractor over here on B. It should be straight. Okay. Now we will take 40 degree. Interior numbers from right to left, 10, 20, 30, 40. It's 40 degree. Now we will expand it with the help of the scale. We will join this point and this point B over here. Okay, take a longer one, no problem. Okay, so B is of how much degree? It is 40 degree. Now in compass you will take 3 centimeter AB. AB will be of 3 centimeter. In compass you will take 3 centimeter from B. Okay, 3 centimeter I will take from B point. I will take 3 centimeter here. The same distance I will keep on. The same distance I will keep on point C and I will make an arc over there. Okay, I will make an arc. See, now from this is A point, right? This is A point. This is point A. This is of 3 centimeter and this is also 3 centimeter. Now from A, BC 7 centimeter. So from A also you will take 7 centimeter because opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. See, I will take the exact distance from here to C. Yes. Now you will keep on A and you will cut this arc. Is it clear? You will cut this arc. So simple. And now you will join these two arcs. Okay. And then we will join this A also. From A to this. Is it clear? So this is a parallelogram A, B, C and this is D. So this is of how much? 7 centimeter. This is how much? 3 centimeter. I hope you understood how to construct a parallelogram. First you will take BC as a base because angle B is of 40 degree. Then you will take 40 degree B. Okay. Then from B you will take 3 centimeter here. From C also you will take 3 centimeter. Same distance. Then BC is of 7 centimeter, right? So from B to C you will take major 7 centimeter, you will keep on A, you will arc this, then you will join. So simple. So this is how you have to construct the question number 3, a parallelogram. Now I will tell you question number 4, question number 4, 5 and 6 are reduced from your syllabus. So I hope you have understood the quadrilaterals, construction and its types, and here we finish this chapter. So best of luck and thank you so much.